Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to Android Buddy. In this video series, we are going to display some images with the help of Android Studio. So, before starting, let's create a project. I'm going to name this project as image example. You can name it as you want. Leave it as it is, and for this video series I'm going to take as empty activity, next, and then finish. So as you can see, our project is now ready. Before starting, we need to open our activity underscore main activity layout and just need to change the parent layout as linear layout. Next, we need to remove all this stuff. Type the orientation as vertical. So for displaying any image in Android app, we need a component name as image view. So we need to provide some width and height to an image. So in my case, I'm going to give a width as match parent and height of wrap content. Next, I'm going to give some IDs for image and name it as img underscore id. So next we are going to provide some image resource file to an image view component. So before showing any image in Android, you must have a image inside your project. So for providing any image to image view, we need an image inside our app, and is going to the app and resource folder and inside drawable folder. So we need an image inside our drawable folder. So what I am going to show you, that I'm going to just copy an image and paste inside my drawable folder. I already have an image inside my PC. So just copy an image and paste it here. So as you can see, I have an image inside my drawable folder and my image name is logo cool, and we need to rename it in lowercase. Just you need to remember that your image name should be in lowercase. Logo. Yep, my image file is ready. So in image view, you can provide image resource in two ways. You can provide an image resource inside your main activity.java file, as well as you can provide an image resource in your XML file. So I'm going to first show you how we can provide an image resource in design mode in XML file. So just you need to write an attribute name as src. Src means resource file, resource, and we need to give a path to an image resource file. So we need to write @drawable / cool image. No, my name is not cool image and cool logo. So as you can see, my drawable folder image file is linked to my image view component. So just we need to test this to see our image is displayed or not. So I'm just going to run my application. So as you can see, an image file is now linked to my image view component. So now next, what I am going to show you, I'm going to show you how to link a image resource file to image view in main activity.java. So before linking any image resource file, you need to have an object of image view component inside your main activity.java. Just write image view, okay, and creating an object of your image view. Just write find view by id and r.id dot name of your image component id. So write image view. For setting any image resource file, you need to call a method set image resource. Image resource will set an image on your image view component. Just write r stands for resource and dot drawable. It locates your drawable folder dot your image name. So we don't need any src attribute inside my design mode in XML component. So just you need to test your application now. So as you can see, it's very simple, it's very easy, you can do by yourself. You just need an image object inside your activity main activity.java file and create an image view object and find that image component by your id and set the image resource. It's very simple. If you have any bitmap image, then you need to call image.set image bitmap. Then the bitmap image will directly be set on your image component. You don't need to call set image resource. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.